The wait is over. The OnePlus 13 is here, and it's packed with cutting-edge features that redefine what a flagship smartphone should be. From its stunning design to powerhouse performance, this phone is ready to dominate 2025. In today's video, we're diving into the OnePlus 13's features, design, and official release date. The OnePlus 13 takes smartphone aesthetics to a new level with its premium build and sleek design. It features a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels. Expect ultra-smooth visuals with a 120 Hz refresh rate and vibrant colors that bring content to life. And check this out, the back panel now comes in a vegan leather finish, adding a touch of luxury. Host: this phone not only looks great but feels amazing in hand, and the updated design ensures better durability and style. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and incredible efficiency. The base model starts with 16 GB of RAM, but there's an option for 24 GB and up to 1 TB of internal storage. Host: whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, the OnePlus 13 delivers a seamless experience, making it perfect for power users. OnePlus continues its partnership with Hasselblad, equipping the OnePlus 13 with a professional-grade camera system. Rear camera, triple 50-megapixel sensors, including main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Front camera, a 32-megapixel sensor for sharp selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Host: the image quality is stunning with features like AI enhancements, improved low-light photography, and 8K video recording. The OnePlus 13 packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage with ease. It supports 100-watt wired fast charging, getting you back to full power in minutes. Plus, there's 50-watt wireless charging for added convenience. The OnePlus 13 runs on OxygenOS 14, based on Android 14, delivering a clean and customizable user experience. Features like improved multitasking, smoother animations, and AI-driven optimizations make this phone a joy to use. So, when can you get your hands on the OnePlus 13? It's set for a global launch on January 7, 2025, during the OnePlus Winter Launch event. As for pricing, the OnePlus 13 starts at around €580 in China, with global pricing to be revealed soon. Expect competitive rates that make it a true flagship killer. There you have it. The OnePlus 13 is shaping up to be one of the best smartphones of 2025. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.